So guys, boy Mexican. I'm in a rush. You know, picking up my friend. I'm going to the range today. But I'm very unorganized. I'm in a rush. Good morning guys, your boy Mexican coming back at you with another video. Yo, now that we're situated, because I was in a rush and I got here on time. I got here 10 minutes before 10 because my best friend told me to pick him up at 10 because today we're going to the shooting range and it's gonna be a nice day. I mean, I'm gonna take you guys along with me, of course, you know, something a little more different. You know, the shooting range, I know I've been talking about car videos coming back soon, and they are. It's just that I'm trying to get stuff situated, get proper stuff to be able to shoot it, just because I am a one-man team. My brother started a new job, so now he can't record for me. The drone got crashed. So it's been hectic, but they're coming back. Bear with me. I'm trying to get stuff situated and we should be fine and bring you guys car content. As for now, make sure you like, share, and subscribe this video, or just subscribe in general. You know, make your boy grow almost to 100 subscribers for sure. And yeah, I mean, I haven't eaten nothing. I'm thirsty as I got some water with me and stuff, but I'm in an empty stomach and I need to get something to eat, or something small as like a little protein cookie or something like that, you know, because your boy making gains. But yeah, we're waiting for him now downstairs, you know. He rushes me here, but I mean, I guess we have to wait for him. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.
That's closed.
It's closed?
Yeah.
Mission failed. The range is closed. What do we do now then? Fuck, you bought all that ammo too.
Fuck, man. You wanna go to LAX or no? Up to you.
Huh?
LAX?
Go back to LAX?
They said open at 11, didn't they?
You go back there then. You bought how much? Like almost like 300 worth of ammo?
Yeah.
All together?
What the fuck?
This shit's closed. So we have to go back to where we came from.
You fucking bitch.
Oh, whatever. We're gonna head back, I guess. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'll pick up the vlog when I get back to the range. If we have any luck with the range.
Let's just go to fucking LAX.
Letting you go, I was just letting you know. I know the weather is cold, but you on your own. I ain't no regular Joe, you should've left me alone. I'm in the zone, I'm where the predators roam. We at the Senate in Rome, and I'm on the throne. This ain't no regular poem, this ain't that regular tone, no. Do you follow me, baby?
So we finally made it. We're gonna start shooting. We're gonna first do the 9mm. And go from there.
Right there? Yes, sir.
Oh. 45. Get it. Oh shit.
Nice.
This has a heart. So this is Carlos's first time shooting his gun. He bought this brand new rifle. Show the mag.
5.56.
How do you feel?
I'm excited as fuck.
We're pretty nervous though, huh?
Yeah, hell yeah. So
yeah, it's the first time for both of us shooting a rifle, to be honest.
So yeah,
I've never shot a rifle. We never shot a rifle. Let's do this. You got it?
Here we go.
Yeah, you killed it.
Look at those shots, my boy.
Okay, now we're gonna shoot the shot. Are you guys hear me? We're gonna shoot the shotgun. It's my first time shooting a shotgun. He's going for a while, so he shot it before. So you guys gonna get my life. Shoot it first.
My shit's fogging up. Wait, show. Alright, here you go. 12 gauge. 12 gauge shotty. Here you go.
Go.
You go for it?
That one was a game changer. That shit was hard. Pretty much shooting. He's out. It's crazy. It's crazy. Go, you wanna hit it?
Go. America. For the purpose, we don't shoot like this. We're just having fun. Mission Impossible. Should we check it out? They actually told you the yards and shit, but I only got 3. But I didn't hit her. Baby girl's alive, you know? What the fuck? I only got 3, all right? So I mean, let's not count him in general, but I got 3. You got 5. So you got 2 more than I did. And the big girl. She's just vibing.
Alright, cool.
You gotta regrip that bitch.
What's that? Yeah, man. She died. So far, so good though.
I mean, yeah, what's funny was that was a
1, 2.
to the dome right there, so you got like 2, 3.
We're out. Okay. Alright, guys, we're finally out. Shoot. After we're done shooting. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the targets. This one right here is for the shotgun and AR. You can see it has big holes. It's all.
Yeah.
So these are pretty much big holes because of the shotgun. But if you see like these little small holes, that's AR. This is a shotgun and AR. And then for this one, it's the pistols, which is the 45 and the 9mm. So right here, she died in this one. 245s ended up hitting her head, her face. So she was,
But also keep in mind that we were shooting like 75 yards out with a pistol 45. I mean, you know,
yeah,
there's a couple of the outside ones, but
yeah, pretty much, yeah. Pretty much we were shooting like as the range is like if you're shooting with an AR, we're shooting far, trying to hit this. So
yeah,
that was target practice.
so don't be in the comments, oh you guys suck, you know.
Yeah, or whatever.
We're messing around, we're trying to have a good time, you know.
Yeah, we're having a good time.
But that, oh, these big ones are actually 45. You kind of tell the difference between the 45 right here and it's the 9, which was real quick right here. That's like a 9 right there.
It's tiny.
Yeah.
Oh, these guns are no joke.
So we shot. What did we shoot today?
So we shot, of course, my brand new 45 Glock 21 SF. He has his Glock, what, 19?
19 9mm.
9mm. And he has his shotgun.
Remington.
Remington,
Yeah.
which is 12 gauge. And then we shot his Colt
M4.
M4.
M4 AR, same thing. We shot 5.56, 223, 9mm, and 45.
45 caliber. Yes.
Yeah. Cool.
So off we are to eat.
Yeah.
As you can tell, it's very loud because we're right next to LAX. You can get some in and out. As always, it never disappoints. After a long day of shooting, we go on to get some in and out. So
Yeah, there's. I mean, it was a dope time.
yeah, it was actually a fun time. I haven't had a.
I hope so.
What's up, guys? Your boy Mexican. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. It's just something a little different, like I always said. It's always something different, you know. And it's a hobby of mine. And, you know, hope you guys enjoyed watching me shoot with my best friend. He's been my best friend since we were kids. And yeah, I mean, I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. Like I said, car videos are coming back very, very soon. So stay tuned. Let's get to 100 subscribers, guys. Come on, we can do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video once again. It's your boy Mexican. Much love.